then you've had a lot of fun in your laboratory with your experiments, dreaming up something new.
Dreams that you could never guess.
You've been working too hard on your formula.
Formula. That's the child's play for a great scientist. Your brain is too feeble to conceive what I accomplished. The realm of science. The realm of science.
You've made some great scientific discovery.
What is it? What? Then you'll find out it'll be too late for you.
The mad scientist returns with the gift of gab, mixing beats and rhymes like chemicals in the lab. Test tubes overflow with the flow, some even explode. Uncontrolled make your brain implode. My style fatter cause I combine matter with antimatter, creating gamma rays. Bust out my shirt like Bruce Banner, bust through your chest like I'm Thor's hammer. Master chemist, tough nerd, y'all niggas lambda, swift to shoot the gift and then reload the clip. Rhymes connect with your spine and leave your body stiff. Although it's hard to conceive, please believe it's real when I frag y'all fags like a rogue Navy SEAL. Here's the deal, super thug or man of steel, I pierce your cranium like a diamond bit drill. Kill it will, but I prefer the bill. Shit I spit is hotter than a slave in the field. Mike Professor rep in Brooklyn and my name is J. Rue. Play yourself and I deprive y'all suckers of O2.
Times I drop this real heavy. Times I drop this real heavy. Times I drop this real heavy. Times I drop this real heavy.
Been dropping bombs since 92, you calculate the math. Those that survive lost limbs when they came across my path. Reconstruct the DNA creates the rap. Mr. Hyde, more poison than Coochie rap. Rap poison and cyanide. Pete, raising the streets, but I'm still scientific. Style legendary, rap skills is mythic. Saw me in the club, tipsy off that brown liquid C2H5OH. Torch the place, the way I heat up the mic, you could call it free base. Mental vapors burn your eyes and nose like mace. Thinking you can see